What are the best methods to prevent sogginess in frozen cauliflower rice?
Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cauliflower rice, a fantastic low-carb, grain-free alternative to traditional rice. But there's a common challenge many of us face when dealing with frozen cauliflower rice: sogginess. The goal of today's discussion is to equip you with the best methods to prevent sogginess in your frozen cauliflower rice. Let's dive in.
Why does frozen cauliflower rice become soggy?
First things first, understanding the problem. The sogginess mainly results from excess moisture in the cauliflower. When you cook frozen cauliflower rice, the heat causes the water to thaw and release, leading to a soggy texture. Controlling this moisture is the key to achieving that perfect, grain-like consistency.
How to properly defrost and drain frozen cauliflower rice.
Now, onto the practical bit. One effective way to manage moisture is through proper defrosting and draining. 1. Defrost the frozen cauliflower rice. Leave it in the refrigerator overnight or place it in a microwavable bowl and use the defrost setting on your microwave. 2. Drain excess water. After it's defrosted, transfer the cauliflower rice to a clean dish towel or cheesecloth. Gather the corners and twist to squeeze out as much water as possible. The less water it has, the less soggy it'll be.
How to cook frozen cauliflower rice to avoid sogginess.
After defrosting and draining, it's cooking time. Here are some tips for cooking your cauliflower rice to avoid sogginess. 1. Use a large skillet. This helps to spread out the cauliflower rice and gives the moisture more surface area to evaporate. 2. Don't overcrowd the pan. Overcrowding can lead to steaming, which creates more moisture. If you have a lot to cook, do it in batches. 3. Cook on medium-high heat. This allows the moisture to evaporate quickly, so your cauliflower rice doesn't have time to get soggy. 4. Avoid covering the pan. A cover traps steam and adds more moisture to your cauliflower rice. 5. Don't add salt until the end. Salt draws out moisture, so add it after your cauliflower rice is already cooked.
What are other helpful tips for handling frozen cauliflower rice?
Apart from the above steps, here are a few more tips. 1. Store properly. If you're freezing your own cauliflower rice, ensure it's thoroughly drained before you freeze it. 2. Use a salad spinner. After defrosting, a salad spinner can be a great tool for removing additional moisture. 3. Roast in the oven. For a different method, spread the defrosted and drained cauliflower rice in a thin layer on a baking sheet and roast it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. And that wraps up our deep dive into maintaining the crispiness of your cauliflower rice. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to enjoy perfectly cooked, non-soggy cauliflower rice every time. Remember, the key is to manage the moisture content at each step, from defrosting and draining, to cooking and even storing. Happy cooking, everyone!